Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we got a package in the mail and we're going to open it up and see what it is. Pretty sure I'm probably not opening this the right way. Wow. What do we have here? We have a Action Visible Selfie Stick from Insta360. An all-purpose tripod. We have a bike computer mount. We have a heavy-duty clamp. We have the Insta360 X4. It's an 8K 360 action cam. 72 megapixel 360 photos. 4K 60 frames per second in single lens mode. Has removable lens guards. Waterproof up to 10 meters, 33 feet. AI powered editing. And we'll open this up and do a separate review on it. They sent us a Insta360 256 gig memory card. We have a lens cap. And what do we have here? This is cool. A triple section cup car mount from Insta360. So Insta reached out to me through my channel and they asked if I would be so kind as to do a review on this camera. And I said, sure. So they sent it my way. And that's what we have. Videos to come. Thanks for watching.